Welcome to online exam demo of Shivaji University. This video would help you to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please read all the instructions carefully and watch this video completely to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please note online exam format. Exam consists of objective, multiple choice, questions. Examination link and login credentials will be shared with you prior to the examination via email. Email and phone number shared by you to the university will be used for communication. You can directly enter credentials and log in to start online exam as per your respective exam schedule. Please note system requirement for online exam. Personal laptop or desktop computer or mobile phone in working condition with good quality microphone and camera. You can use either Windows PC or Mac. You can also attempt exam on smartphone, having camera, with Chrome browser. Internet connection of at least 512 kilobits per second or more will be the best. Latest Google Chrome Internet browser, pre-installed, please download and be ready. If you are a Mac user, please note following additional instructions. Download Google Chrome.dmg file. Install this application by double-clicking on it. After installation, move Google Chrome to the application folder. Instructions for web camera. Please test your webcam here. Kindly test this link in Google Chrome browser only. Light should be good enough in the room where candidate is appearing the exam. There should be sufficient light on the candidate face to make it visible to camera. Webcam quality should be good. Candidate can check with above share link in point number 1. Please note important instructions for online test. If any candidate appears for the test through mobile, any phone calls or any other notifications during the test will consider as a warning alert. No one else should be present in the surroundings other than the candidate during the test. Candidate must keep in mind that their images will be recorded by the system. Therefore, it is strictly advised that the candidate does not leave the seat during the test. Such behavior will be immediately recorded as a violation. The student may not use his or her textbook, course notes, or receive help from a proctor or any other outside source. Students must complete the exam within 60-minute time frame allotted for the exam. Students must not stop the session and then return to it. This is especially important in the online environment where the system will time out and not allow the student to re-enter the exam site. Make sure you've turned off all distractions like television, social media, and all notifications. Very important, students should not switch screen or move out of the exam page. System may terminate your exam and you won't be able to get access to again resume exam. Minimizing browser window may terminate your exam. The system will alert you for the last 15 minutes of the exam duration. No washroom breaks and snack breaks are permitted during the exam. Before the exam, please test your computer or laptop or a smartphone, which you intend to use for taking the exam, to ensure that it is working well, processing speed is good, and the camera and microphone are working perfectly. Note: do not use the Alt tab, mouse or any other device to shift from the test screen to any other screen, or do not try to open any other application while attempting the test. Doing so may result in discontinuation of the test and it will be considered as null and void. Candidates are requested to disable antivirus updates or Windows updates etc. before the exam because the system will treat this as an alert warning. Please note instructions in case of resuming online exam. If candidates have had to discontinue the test for whatever reason, they are requested to re-log in within stipulated time by using the same login credentials. Candidates can resume the test where they have left, as all the previous details including the exam's remaining time will be saved in the system automatically. Should you seek any assistance, please call support numbers shown on the screen. Now let's see demo of online exam system. Best of luck for your online exam.
You will be provided with an username and password in order to log into the system. You can enter that username and password credential and click on login button as shown. As soon as you click on login button, you will be shown the details associated with your online exam. Name of the exam has been shown, number of questions, total minutes associated with online exam, duration that will be shown. You can click on verify identity to move forward. System will ask you to provide permission associated with accessing your web camera. You need to allow that permission. Examination instructions will be loaded in front of you. You can read all the instructions and then click on I am ready to begin in order to start your online examination process. As soon as you start your online exam, you can see on the right hand top corner online exam timer. You need to keep track on this timer. As soon as this timer gets elapsed, your online exam would be marked as complete. There are buttons available. If you click on save and next, you can move to the next question. If you click on previous button, you can move to the previous question. You can, in case of objective exam, you can attempt any question by selecting the suitable multiple choice answer associated with the question and then click on next button. Even there is a facility available to mark particular question for the review purpose. You can mark particular question for review purpose as well. Attempted questions will be shown in the green color, not attempted questions will be shown in the gray color. Attempted and marked for review will be shown in the blue color, not attempted and marked for review will be shown in the purple color. This way you can attempt all the questions as per the defined schedule. At any given point of time, your activities will be recorded and remote exam invigilator will monitor your activities. During online examination process, you are not allowed to speak with someone. You are not allowed to take help from external means like notebooks, calculators or electronic devices, or you are also not allowed to speak with someone. If it is observed that you are speaking with someone while attempting the online exam, then your online exam might be suspended. So you need to ensure that you are attempting online exam in a fair manner, as web camera is going to do continuous monitoring activity for your exam. You can attempt all the exams, and as soon as you reach to the last question of the exam, you will be shown the submit test button. If you click on submit test button, you will be shown the summary associated with online exam, like total number of attempted questions, total not attempted questions, or questions which are marked for review. If you are not sure, if you are not attempted all the questions, then do not click on yes button, but you can click on no button and attempt all the questions as per your preference. Then as soon as you reach to the last question, and if you are sure that you have attempted all the questions, then you can click on yes button. As soon as you click on yes button, your online exam would be marked as complete. Now let us see how to attempt the online exam on mobile phone. As soon as you log into the system, you will be shown the name of the exam, start date, end date, exam, number of questions associated with exam. You need to click on verify identity button as shown on the screen. So as soon as you click on it, online examination instruction would be loaded. You can read all the instruction and then click on this checkbox and click on I am ready to begin in order to start your online exam. As soon as you click on that button, your online exam would be started. On the left hand top corner, you can see the exam timer. You need to keep track on this timer. As soon as this timer gets elapsed, your online exam would be marked as complete. Question along with this multiple choice option would be shown. You can select suitable option and click on save and next button. Even there is a facility available to mark particular question for the review purpose. So all the questions which are marked for review will be shown in different color combination. Attempted questions will be shown in the green color. Not attempted questions will be shown in the gray color. Attempted and marked for review will be shown in the blue color. Not attempted and marked for review will be shown in the purple color. So this way you can attempt all the questions. You can also navigate to any particular question as per your preference, and you can attempt any particular question at any given point of time. So this way you can easily attempt multiple choice objective exam. As soon as you reach to the last question of this exam, you will be shown the submit test button. As soon as you click on submit test button, you will be shown summary total number of attempted questions and not attempted questions would be shown. You need to ensure that if you have attempted all the questions, then only you can click on yes button. Otherwise, you should not click on yes button, but you can click on no button. At any given point of time, system will continuously do the monitoring of your activity. You will be monitored by the remote invigilator, and all those things will be taken into consideration while your result is being generated. If it is found that you are taking help of some notebooks, books, calculators, or if you are talking with someone while attempting the online exam, then your online exam might be suspended by the examination administrator. So you need to ensure that while attempting the exam, you are not speaking with someone. So this way you can attempt exam, and as soon as you are sure that you have attempted all the questions, then you can click on submit test button and you can click on this yes button in order to mark your online exam as complete. So this way you can easily attempt objective multiple choice based exam using your mobile phone.